Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you how to fix GTA 5 game is unable to communicate with Rockstar Games Online Services error with some simple and effective steps. This issue usually happens due to network problems or blocked connections. First, restart your PC and your internet router to refresh the connection. Next, check your internet and make sure it is stable, and avoid using VPN or proxy because it can block access to Rockstar servers. After that, run the Rockstar Games launcher as administrator to avoid permission issues. Now, temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus, or add GTA 5 and the launcher to exceptions so they are not blocked. Also, try signing out and signing back in to your Rockstar account to refresh your session. If the issue still continues, flush your DNS by opening Command Prompt and typing ipconfig/flushdns. Finally, restart your PC and launch the game again, and the error should be fixed. Subscribe the channel for more videos.